Ever felt like you're surfing a perfect wave, only to be caught in a storm the next moment? Welcome to the thrilling world of trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, mastering market moves is crucial for long-term success. Let's dive into the essentials. In an uptrend, it's all about riding the waves. Momentum trading lets you ride the wave with stocks showing strong upward momentum. Trend following is another powerful strategy. Use tools like trend lines or the average directional index, ADX, to let your profits run. Swing trading captures the highs and lows of the trend. Look for pullbacks to buy at a discount and sell at a premium. Navigating a downtrend can feel like sailing through a storm. Short selling allows you to profit from falling prices. Hedge against a downtrend with put options, giving you the right to sell assets at a predetermined price, protecting your portfolio. Invest in inverse ETFs that rise when the market falls, providing a cushion in a bearish environment. In a sideways market, range trading helps you buy near support and sell near resistance, capturing smaller price movements. No matter the market condition, there's always a strategy to match your trading style and goals. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the ride. Happy trading!